Convert string in base64 to image and save on file system. I have a string in base64 format, which represents PNG image. Is there a way to save this image to the file system, as a PNG file? I encoded the image using Flex. Actually, this is what I get on server. Can't see any image after any of proposed methods frown.
Starting with decoded the data using the base64 codec, and then write it to the file system. Modernizing this example to Python 3, which removed arbitrary codec support from string/bytes.encode and .decode functions.
If the imagestr was bitmap data, which we now know it isn't, you could use this. Imagestr is the base64 encoded string. Width is the width of the image. Height is the height of the image. Since the imagestr is just the encoded PNG data,
as simple as that.
If you are trying to decode a web image, you can simply use this. Data equals is the encoded string. It will take care of the padding errors.
Sure.